So guys, I have a Hyundai Santa Fe. This is no start. And start. It's a no start. So use a scanner. Those are trouble codes. So there's no trouble code. Start. Hi, Dad.
Yo. What's up, Dave?
My mother, Sudani.
Pablo. Rich man.
No start.
Huh?
No trouble codes. It's an engine. MC.
Okay, no problem, man.
Okay guys, just check this ignition coil if there's a spark. And just remove one coil. Just check if there's a spark. And I use this light. Just put a negative battery. Just check the spark. Rahul, start! Start! Oh! Start! There's off. So there's a spark. Rahul. Just check the fuel pump. Fuel pump is came here. Just remove the seat. I remove now the seat. The seat at the back. So this is a location of the fuel pump. So let's check first the supply of the fuel pump. These two wire. I think it's a orange and the color black. Oh! These two wire. The orange or pink. And this color black. This is just use the test light, and I use two wire. Okay, it came from battery negative and the positive. So this is the positive. Just check the ground. The ground is good. So just put in the other wire to check the supply positive. This color pink, and start Raul. Start the car. So There's no supply. Up! Start! Start! So there's no supply. Up! Up! This color pink is no supply from the ignition. So that's why the fuel pump is not working. So now guys, let's check the fuel pump fuse. So this is the fuel pump fuse. It is 15 amperes. Just on the switch. On the switch and check the fuel pump. Fuel pump fuse. Use this to slide. So the fuel pump fuse is good. So let's find this color pink wire. So guys, I found the problem. This color pink wire came to the fuel pump. So I removed this harness down to the front. So this is this harness. So I found here this socket is a loose connection, color blue. This is the wire of the fuel pump. Ito to the inside. So this socket is a loose connection. I remove this cover. Just put this socket. Okay, and then start the car. The car is good. So the problem is here. The connector is a loose connection. So that's it guys. Thank you.